Kasi wala kaming Raquel. So, let me introduce Raquel Asa. Hello,
Hi guys, good afternoon. Ayan, so thank you for inviting me.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Ayan, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes. Ayun, dinig na daw nila ako. Should I start na ba, Miss?
Walang sound.
Walang sound? Guys, can you please type 1 if you can hear me?
Okay.
Ay, ayun. Dinig nila ako parang ikaw hindi mo ako naririnig. Okay, so they can hear me. Hi! Okay, so parang hindi ako naririnig.
Yan, okay na.
Naririnig mo na ako?
Yes.
Ay.
Ako pala yung problema.
Hindi ikaw, yung microphone. Iba yung ikaw ang problema sa microphone ang problema.
Okay.
Sige, so I'll wait for your cue ha, Yai.
Okay na. Okay na.
Okay na?
Okay.
Ayan. So, finally, we're going to start na. Ang napakasipag na si Raquel Castro. Okay, so hello everyone. I am Arkel. My real name actually is Raquel, pero yung online name ko is Arkel. And welcome to our webinar. Okay, so in today's session, I will discuss about graphic design using Canva. So if you are a business owner who needs help in creating your marketing materials for free, or maybe isa sa inyo dyan sa mga audience natin is a student or a teacher who needs help in creating amazing designs, documents, and presentations in just a few minutes for all your creative projects and studying needs, then this is the right place for you. Ayan, wait lang. Nakalimutan ko mag-share ng screen. Okay, so guys, can you see my screen? Wait lang, ulitin ko. Type 1 if yes, if you can see my screen. Nawawala si Zoom ko. Ay, ayun. Naglalakad si Zoom kahit saan. Okay, so yes, that's great. So first, I'd like to introduce myself first. For those who do not know me, I am Raquel. You can call me Arkel para konting arte-arte. I got my name Arkel from my previous job as an ESL teacher kasi Chinese students cannot they cannot pronounce the R. Okay, so nagiging L siya. So medyo nahirapan sila. So instead of calling me Raquel, we just interchanged the letter. Ayan, may pa-trivia yung name ko. Pero sa GC, nahirapan kami dalawa kasi dalawang Raquel ang nasa GC, Raquel Castro and Raquel Me. So that's why I call her Yayi and I am Arts instead of Rax. Okay, so I am from Mindanao, specifically from Zamboanga City. So buenas tardes a todos. Okay, so I'm a nurse by profession and I've been working online since 2016. So alam ko sa inyo, meron sa atin dito na we have different professions, right?
Recording
So
in
like me,
progress.
I am a nurse by profession and never in my dreams that I've imagined na instead I became a nurse or instead na nag-work ako sa hospital, andito ako. I'm working naman as an online professional. So, more on sa, ano ta dito, sa computers. Which is, pinaka-hate ko during college days. Kasi during college days, I remember, meron tayong mga thesis, right? Floppy disk pa yung gamit namin. So, medyo old na ako. Kasi floppy disk pa yung ginagamit namin before. And I don't like typing. I don't like any task, anything to do with computers kasi I don't know how to navigate it. Okay, so hindi ako techie. Okay, so I first worked as a home-based ESL teacher because during that time it's the only job where I get to earn and be with my kids at the same time. So since hindi nga ako techie, I'm not really confident with other ano tawag dito, tools. Ang alam ko lang is I can speak English, okay, a little. And yun lang naman yung requirement during that time. So that's why yun yung first gig ko online. Okay? But then I attended the e-commerce and digital marketing training under Digital Jobs PH way back in 2017. So una ako kay Yayi. Okay, bagong batch yan sila Yayi. So it is through this training that I discovered na I have a potential pala to become a graphic designer. So fast forward to 2021, after 4 years, medyo marami nang nagbago. Okay? From being a scholar, I was invited to become one of the resource speakers and trainers sa cluster namin in Mindanao, which is MC1. And I train students about social media management, graphic design, using Canva, PSD, and AI. And I'm also fortunate that I have become one of the course developers and assessors of TJPH. And now I'm also part or one of the board of directors of the first national-based cooperative on online professionals here in the Philippines na kasama rin si Ms. Raquel Castro or si Yayi. Ayan. So, why are you here? I'd like to know from our participants the reason why you are here. Why are you interested in watching these webinars that we've conducted? So, sinong gustong sumagot sa mga participants natin or yung mga tao nandito sa Zoom? Sino ba yung mga nandito sa Zoom? Or you can type your answers if you're shy to talk. Okay, added knowledge. Do you have any specific skills in mind that you'd like to pursue after watching the webinars so far? Okay, for expanding my knowledge in freelancing, great. Okay, know more about social media manager. Okay, that's good. Actually, this is a really good project because um, aside that you are already familiar with the freelancing industry, you can actually get free trainings from Digital Jobs PH. Ayan. So at least medyo meron na kayong idea konti just by uh, attending this webinar. Okay, that's great. Now, I'd like to share with you these important tips in our comforts of our home. Yes, Marshall, as long as you listen to this, so next na sasabihin ko, I always remember these tips and it was shared to me by my mentor that I always share also with my students every time I conduct a training. And that is how to succeed and make the most out of this webinar or whatever training or free training that you have attended. Okay? So the first one is hammer the nail. Okay, so I know some of you have been attending different webinars from left to right and trying to figure out ano ba talaga yung para sa akin, what's right for me and what's not. 'Diba? Nasa stage pa lang kayo, you're trying to explore, ginagamay nyo pa kung ano ba yung skills na pwede ako. Doon ba ako sa VA? Or pwede ako sa social media management? Or medyo mas okay ako sa graphic design and many more. Kasi marami namang different types of skills that you can learn in freelancing. Meron iba sa inyo, do I still need to learn a new skill? It depends on you. Okay? For example, ako, I'm a nurse by profession. Okay, I still have a place in the online industry. I can be a medical transcriptionist. At least it is still in line with my profession. Okay? So for example, may nagtatanong, ako ma'am, I'm graduate accountancy or I'm an accountant. Can I still be working online? Yes. Okay, you can be a bookkeeper. Okay? So you can actually use the skills that you have already acquired and pwede rin naman kayo mag-learn ng new skills, especially yung mga in-demand skills na tinatawag natin. Okay? Yan, medyo nawala. Okay? So I say hammer the nail. So we will be providing you all the tools, the learning materials, and resources, and all you have to do is take action. Huwag tayo maging parehas ng iba na ang daming training na pinapasok, ang daming webinars na ina-attend, and then their aim is just to get certificates. Okay? Because in the online industry or in the freelancing industry, certificate is just a bonus. Okay? Clients will most likely look at your skills on how you can solve their problems. Okay? So every time you try to learn something, you have to do it. Okay? Do something about it. Remember, don't let learning lead to knowledge, let your learning lead to action. Next is to mimic the military. Okay? So, one thing that you've learned, that one thing that you will learn if you want to become a freelancer, okay, is for you to be disciplined and responsible. Kasi we are not employees, okay? We are service providers. We are their partners. Set up goals and skills that you want to learn. Make sure to achieve whatever goals you have set and planned and avoid jumping from one goal to another without finishing what you have started. Karamihan kasi sa atin, we want a lot of things. Meron tayong tinatawag na I forgot the syndrome. Yung para bang gusto, every time may nakikita tayong interesting, exciting, and engaging, gusto ko aralin to, hanggang sa wala kayong natatapos or namamaster. Okay? Nga naman pala, marami kasing skills na super, interesting to learn. Okay? So, minsan, naguguluhan tayo pag medyo marami tayong options. So, you have to decide after attending to all the webinars that we have, ano ba talaga yung gusto ko na skills na matutunan? Graphic design ba? Social media management? Or VA? Okay? And because without discipline, success is impossible. Next is be like a diamond. Okay? So, a diamond doesn't start out polished and shiny. So, when conducting series of training in the past, I noticed that when people are having a hard time learning a skill, they just quit easily or they just give up. Okay, kasi hindi nila kaya eh. So, sometimes understood naman that learning a new skill is intimidating and difficult at first. So, there will be a lot of tries, failures, disappointments. However, you have to be like a diamond. No pressure, no diamond. Okay? Sabi nga nila, the more na sumasakit yung ulo mo kakaaral ng isang bagay, or the more na na-pressure ka, the more na hindi mo maintindihan, you have to give it a go. Because it means to say your brain is working, okay? And your brain is thinking. Maybe siguro kasi ilang years siya na stagnant, okay, na hindi natin masyadong ginagamit because we're used to doing repetitive tasks. Okay? Next is think like a king. Okay? Kings see the bigger picture and they always focus on the positive. Yan. So always be confident in whatever you do and trying to learn new skills. Sabi nila or na-mention ko kanina is intimidating. However, if you continuously learn and equip yourself with knowledge, then you can do anything you set your mind into. Tama? 'Di ba? If we really want something, kahit nahihirapan tayo or kahit medyo mahirap, we still pursue it because we like it. Okay? And every time we want something, we make sure that we achieve it. Okay? And lastly is to accept the mission. Okay? Go out there, try something new, and succeed on it, whatever it takes. So, in a nutshell, put what you have learned into action. Be disciplined. You have to trust the process. The more na nahihirapan ka, the more that you have to continue. Okay? Because you are learning, you are exploring. Think like a king, trust yourself, and be confident with whatever you do. Go out there and be successful. Okay? So I hope that you remember all this or the 5 things that I shared on how to get the most out of this webinar. Okay? Now, what will you learn today? Yan. So I'm not sure, okay, if you are already familiar with this tool. Today, you will learn how to earn money as a graphic designer or learn how to design using Canva. So who among you here, guys, are familiar with Canva? Sino dito ang nakapag-try na ng Canva? So type 1 if yes, nakapag-try na. Ay, ayun, marami na. So hindi na ako mahihirapan. Okay, so what can you say about the tool, guys? Can you share with me your experience on how you feel it's easy to use? Yes. User friendly. UX design friendly. Yes. Easy to navigate. Hindi masyadong komplikado, right? At saka intimidating pag tinitignan mo yung dashboard. I love it. Super easy to use. Okay, so hindi na pala ako medyo masyadong mahirapan. Okay, so what do you normally use? Is it a free account or do you have a pro account? Yes, perfect for quick social media posts. Free. Ayan. So here I will be discussing, okay, yung free account at saka yung pro account. So baka meron kayong something na you want to explore na nasa pro account, sulit na sulit siya. Okay? So what is a graphic designer? Ayan. So graphic designer creates visual concepts to convey information through photos and art. Yan. And ano ba yung skills, okay, required in order for you to become a graphic designer? One should have the ability to design eye-catching visuals that are easily understood. Ma'am, medyo wala akong idea. Anyone can actually use Canva, okay? But not everyone can produce a good graphic or a layout, a beautiful layout, right? But if you keep on exposing yourself with images, with layouts. Ako, ang ginagawa ko dati, I have no idea. Nagbe-browse ako ng mga sample magazines, sample brochures, yung mga marketing layouts. Doon ako natuto ng mga tips and tricks on how to design, how to use shapes as your design, because graphics does not only mean that you are going to create a beautiful graphics. It can mean that you can design just using text, you can design using colors, you can design using shapes. Okay? It means to say, design doesn't have to be complicated. What's important is that you will be able to convey your message clearly through your design. So every time they see your design, okay, you always have to think, alam ba ng mga nakakakita or ng audience ko yung gusto kong ipahiwatig sa design ko? Okay? May crack link po ba para sa pro account? Oh, sorry. There's no crack link actually for Canva, and we do not encourage you to have this crack link. Wala pa akong na-encounter na may crack siya, similar to other accounts na meron crack available sa black market. So wala. Okay? Maybe in the future or baka makapag-decide or maisipan ng City of Binyan na magbigay ng pro account, why not? 'Di ba, Raquel? Yayi, nagpaparinig kami. Baka lang naman eh. Baka may pamigay
Friend,
ng Canva.
tingnan natin.
Nagpaparinig si Sir Raymond eh. Ano po review nag-offer po sa cheap payment for Pro FB account? Okay. So those are not cracks. Those are actually paid accounts, pero ang kinuha nila is yung enterprise na account wherein they will add you as their member or as their team. Okay? Kumbaga, you're part of the team, you're part of the account, but it's not really your account. Okay? So, yun yung reason bakit cheap lang siya. Kasi, they bought it in an enterprise fee, okay, or yung package, kung saan pwede silang magdagdag na maraming teams. Okay? Ito yung mga ginagamit ng mga businesses, yung malalaking businesses. Tapos, yun yung binibigyan nila ng access. That's why it's cheap. Nasa mga 100, 150. Pero magkano lang naman yung monthly ni Canva, guys? Sulit na yung 300. I forgot how much is it. 300 plus. Okay? Sulit na siya kasi ang dami mong magagawa with the 300 plus. Okay? Hindi ako, hindi ako taga Canva ha. I'm just using Canva because madali siyang gamitin, especially when doing my job. Okay, may limit po ba yung pwedeng sumali dun sa teams na yun? I think meron. I'm not sure if it's 100. Okay, I haven't explored it yet. Pero before, I tried to take a peek. Kasi sabi ko, nga, bakit yung iba nag-offer lang sila ng Canva Pro ng 150, yung iba naman lifetime. So, i-check natin later on yung different packages, okay, ni Canva. Especially yung sa basic, yung sa free, yung sa pro, at saka yung sa business, at saka sa enterprise. Okay? Ayun. So, what is Canva? So, let's talk about Canva. Thank God. I'm so happy that someone created Canva because once you try using it, you will be amazed of the things you can do with it. Diba? Feeling expert tayo every time we use Canva. Natutuwa talaga ako kay Canva. Okay? So Canva is actually a design platform that lets you create different types of visual contents from social media to presentation, marketing materials, and many more. Hindi ko sila pwedeng, dito. Kasi sa dami ng pwede mong gawin, medyo mahirapan tayo mag-isa-isa. Okay? And it is one of the best design apps to use when you are on a budget and when you are a beginner. Okay? Now, what can we do with Canva? You can use Canva for designing anything you need. Halos lahat makikita mo na sa Canva. You can either create customized design from scratch or you can choose from the different content types or templates na readily available sa platform. Okay? So you can create social media marketing materials such as yung mga kailangan mo if you are going to create posts for Instagram stories, Instagram post, Facebook, Facebook cover, YouTube channel art, LinkedIn banners, and pwede rin naman siyang for personal use. Like if you want to create invitations, cards, resumes, postcards, weekly schedule planning, or t-shirts. Remember before, every time that we'd like to magpa-party tayo, magba-birthday yung mga kids natin, or any occasion that we have sa family, nagpapa-layout pa tayo sa artist and then pumupunta pa tayo sa tindahan, right? Para magpa-print. But now, you can actually already create your own layout. And then, since it's virtual naman these days, sinesend lang natin siya sa Facebook, sa Messenger, 'di ba? Pinopost lang natin if you want to invite people. So, ganun na siya kabilis. Okay? And what else? Business. You can create presentations, websites. Ayan, pag-uusapan natin yan later. I will show you some examples. You can create your own logos if you are on a tight budget because we know that yung mga logos ngayon, okay, especially pang professional, medyo mahal siya. Yes. Kung sa love life pa to siya, nasa kanya na ang lahat. 'Di ba? Wala ka nang ibang hahanapin pa. Na kay Canva na lahat. Okay? Sana all. Nasa kanya na yung lahat. Okay? For marketing, you can create posters, flyers, infographics, newsletters, what else? Proposals, okay? Templated na siya lahat. And don't worry if you are a student because meron silang para sa students or for teachers. We can create classroom decor kits, okay? Lesson plans, worksheets, certificates, bookmarks, class schedules, and many more. Ayan. So, pwedeng-pwede si Canva sa kahit sino. Okay? Now, bakit nga ba, okay, popular at saka in-demand si Canva? Yan. So, here, you do not require, okay, it's popular because you do not require to have an experience, okay? Or you don't have to be a graphic designer to be able to use Canva. It has a user-friendly interface. So, click and drag lang siya, diba? Click, drag, change the color, change the text. Okay? Zoom in, zoom out. And it is a versatile platform because you can use it sa browser, you can install it as an application on your desktop or pwede siyang mobile phone. So since I'm conducting trainings this past few months, medyo nagka-problema ako sa mga locations ko na medyo malalayo sa mga rural areas. And then, napakalaking bagay at napakalaking tulong ni Canva sa mobile. Kasi they are now doing their task using their mobile phones sa Android phones. Meron naman siyang sa iOS. Okay? Kasi wala silang computer. So, data lang ang ginagamit nila. And at the same time, they just install it sa, ano tayo dito? Sa mobile phones nila. Okay? So, ganyan siya ka-accessible. And it is already readily available na sa mga, sa iPad. Okay? Next, you can collaborate with others or create your design team. So, pwede mo siyang i-share. Share to view, share to edit, diba? Or share to just play it. It is a free platform. No need to spend on expensive tools to create professional designs. As what I've said earlier, this is for those people who are on a tight budget. Kasi masyadong costly ang magpagawa sa professionals, right? So, pwede to siya sa mga pang-startup na business. Yung kaka-start pa lang, wala masyadong puhunan, so they can start with Canva. Okay? So, easy to navigate because it takes less than naranasan yun na. Right? So, what are the different basic features of the features of Canva? You can create several contents. As what I've mentioned last time, meron na siyang readily available na templates. Okay? Drag and drop feature, just a few clicks, drag and drop, then you're good. There are thousands of templates in their library. So, pwede kang mamili, you can edit it, you can customize it depending on what you need. Kasi, meron iba sa atin, hindi pa tayo masyadong wala tayong masyadong idea kung ano yung gusto natin na concept. So, the templates are actually very helpful. Tapos, saka ka na mag-decide kung gusto mong i-change yung color ba, i-change yung font, okay, or yung photos or images na nasa template. Okay? Now, if you are working or you are a student, aside from presentation, they already now added a new feature, okay, this year lang. And that is what you call Canva Live. Kumbaga, you can already run live sessions while you are already presenting to your audiences. And all they have to do is to just enter the code na ibibigay ni presenter. And the audience can already join the conversation, send reactions, comments, questions as you present. Ayan. So, very helpful to siya sa mga coaches, sa mga teachers, students, okay? Because it's one way of creating an engaging atmosphere, especially when presenting. Okay? What else? Wait a minute. Kasi nawala siya. Can you see my screen, guys? Hindi. Ha. Okay, wait lang. Kasi dapat gumagalaw to siya. Sige nga, try natin. Hindi. Okay, so how about this, guys? Can you see it's moving? Is
Yes.
it moving na ba? Ayan, it's moving na.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is an example of the Canva Live. Okay, next. Ayan, may sumingit. Ayan, kasi first time ko gumamit ng Canva na presentation. Okay, next is you can create high quality videos kahit hindi ka professional video editor. And every time, nung na-try ko siya for the first time on how to edit videos, hindi ako na-stress. Masaya ako, hindi ko napansin yung oras kasi ang dali mo lang gumawa, mag-edit ng videos and then put your concept into one video. Okay? Same as when editing photos, all you have to do is drag and drop. You have no idea. Don't worry kasi just like yung mga social media templates, meron din templates for mga videos. Okay? And aside from that, you can also add audio available from their library. And if wala ka masyadong nakikitang audios that you really like, you can actually upload a track from other website. Okay? So ganyan siya ka-flexible. Next is you can add comments in your design. Since you can create a theme in Canva, the add comments, reply to, and tag team member features or working with a client, gusto mong ipa-check yung trabaho. So you don't need to send it through the email. Ito lang, mag-comment, oh, I need you to change the color. I need you to resize the photo a little bit. So directly na pwede kayong mag-comment doon sa Canvas. Okay? Next, for those who are working, wait lang. What's next? Ayun, may music siya. Can you hear the music ba? Ay, hindi. Okay. So for those who are working as a social media managers or aspiring social media managers, this is a good tool for you. Okay. So once you're done creating your marketing designs for your business, you can use Canva to schedule your posts instead of downloading it and use another scheduling tool. Kasi before, di ba, ang ginagawa natin, gumagawa tayo ng social media contents with graphics, dina-download pa natin siya. Tapos we schedule it using Post Scheduler ba, Buffer, Sprout Social. So marami tayong tools na ginagamit. Pero with Canva Pro na to siya ha, pwede na kayong mag-schedule directly. No need to download it, okay, one by one. So, ganun na siya kadali. Okay? You can directly post your content to Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn accounts. You just have to link those accounts to your Canva account. Okay? Next is create beautiful website. Okay? In just a few clicks. So, you can now create your own website using Canva. So, ganito siya. Na-try ko na siya, guys, and it's good. Pero I haven't tried kung paano siya i-customize yung link. Kasi makikita nyo doon na may canva.com din. Okay? So, we can explore more on that. And this time, I am going to show you, okay, sample projects, okay, that I created using Canva. So, here we have remove background. Okay? Dati-rati, every time we'd like to remove a background, di ba pumupunta tayo kay Photoshop? Tapos hindi halos lahat sa atin, or majority of us, medyo hindi natin gamay yung tool para pangtanggal. Okay? But with remove background, kayang-kaya natin siyang gawin. So, I'm going to show you how. Okay? Um, let me pull out muna my account in Canva. Ayun. Para makita ninyo how I actually created it. Just, ano tawag dito? Pahaging lang. So this is actually my Canva account. Yun. Here you go. Nawawala na naman si Zoom na share. Ayun. Ito talaga yung nangyayari pag naglalakad si Zoom. Okay? So, this is my Canva account. And I just created my slides here. So, for remove background, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. You just have to wait. Okay? No need to do extra effort in removing your background. So, for example, from this, we will change it to this. We will remove the background. Go to Effects. Click Background Remover. Then, count lang kayo ng ilang seconds. Inom-inom ng tubig, kain-kain. And in 3, 2, 1, wala pa rin. Ayan. Matatanggal na yung background. So, I think medyo mahina yung, ano tawag dito? Ayun, yung internet natin. There you go. 'Di ba? Maghihintay ka lang. Wala ka nang masyadong i-click-click pa. Okay? So, there you go for remove your background. Ayan. Next is, balik natin. 3D. Okay? Pop-out effect. Okay? So, what I did is just, I went to elements, tapos hanapin nyo lang si grids. Ayan. Or, yeah. Pwede si grid or si frame. Hanap tayo. Grid or frame. So, I used the circle one. And what I did is just, kinuha ko to siya. I look for a photo. Tapos, pinasok ko lang yung photo ng babae dito. This is the original photo. Can you see it, guys? Okay, this is the original photo. And then, ang gagawin mo lang is ipapasok siya dito. Okay? Ipapasok siya dyan. So, once you do it, you want the pop-out effect. So, you just have to copy the same photo. Click, copy, ayan, or duplicate ba? So, ito kasi nasa kwan siya eh. I don't have the photo anymore. So, before you put it in the grid, okay, mag-create kayo ng another photo. Then, dito, it's crop. Then, all you have to do, pag ganito, guys, ang nangyari, pumapasok siya, just click control. Control button. Ayan, para hindi siya pumasok. Tapos, just adjust a little bit. Ayan. And that's how you create yung 3D pop-out effect. O, diba? So, very easy. Ganyan lang. Ayan, pumapasok siya. Okay? So, next is, ito yung pinakauso sa ngayon. Okay? Heading pop-out frame. So, how did I create this? Again, you just have to look for a photo. So, gusto ko yung ganito yung itsura niya para mas ma-emphasize sa frame. So, what I did is that I remove the picture. Tapos, again, duplicate the photo. Kung titignan nyo, pinagtagpi-tagpi lang yun siya. O, diba? Naging manananggal siya. So, that is how you do it. This is the original photo. Ayan. Remove the background. Tapos, duplicate the photo. Tapos, ayusin nyo siya sa loob ng frame. And then, ang gagawin nyo lang is to crop. Ayan. So, di ba natabunan yung kamay dito? This is the original photo. Di ba? This is the original photo. So, what I did is just I crop it para babagay siya doon sa photo. Yan. Okay. Next, same thing. I just duplicate the photo and crop it para mailagay natin sa katawan para lumampas yung paa niya dito. Okay, there you go. So make sure that it's not obvious that you crop it. Okay, and next is we want to emphasize this more. Kasi pag ganito kasi, medyo putol siya. So, dagdagan natin ng ganito. Okay? So, basically, you just crop and what? You just crop and put it all together. So, medyo mabilis lang tayo, guys, because our time is limited. Ayan. Balik natin sa dati. Medyo nag-hang siya. Reload. So, do you get the concept of creating yung mga 3D photos? More on duplicate, crop, then put it all together lang. Okay, so let's see kung ano na nangyari doon sa sa ginawa natin. You will find this fun, actually, if you keep on doing it. Konting practice lang. So, if hindi nyo siya masyadong makita, just zoom it. Ayan. Tapos, ito, mako-obvious siya. So, there you go. Okay. So, later on, ayusin natin yan siya. So, let's move to the next part. Dito naman, as you can see, okay, the background is actually colored, but I changed it to black and white para, ayan, same thing. Okay, this is the original photo with the person behind or with the woman behind. I crop it and then I duplicate and crop it. So, tingnan nyo, dito naka-black and white siya, dito naka-colored. So, I just went to filter, street or grayscale. And then, nilagyan ko lang ng text. Kung mapapansin nyo, ayan. It's because I want to achieve yung magazine feel. So, what I did is that I just put them all together. Okay? So, do you think, guys, kaya nyo tong gawin? Madali lang siya. What do you think, guys? Yes. Ayan. So, I'm excited for you to try this because I asked some people, sabi nila, ang alam lang nilang gawin is yung to change colors, to change font and text, pero hindi pa talaga sila nakakaabot dun sa mga may effects, yung mga 3D. Okay? Next is creating an outline. So, same thing. I just look for a photo, this one, and then what I did is that I crop it and then duplicate. So, try natin mag-duplicate. For example, ito. Wait lang. Ibalik natin siya doon. Ayan. Click this, duplicate. And if I want to create an outline, pwede kang pumunta kay, not filter, kay effects. Then, hanap tayo dito ng anong gusto mo. Green. Ito siya actually yung example natin last time. Wait lang. Ungroup. Ito siya. Kung makikita nyo, meron pa siyang, ano tawag dito? Nakikita nyo pa yung yung mukha niya, yung damit niya, yung patterns. Okay? Pero this one, meron namang plain. So, what I did is I just change, okay, sa effects. Hanap lang kayo ng kulay na gusto niyo. Then, create this one. Ayun. And then, you can change actually the color to white. Ayan. And then, the intensity is, no. This one is highlights, no highlights. White lang siya. So, nagiging white siya. Ay, hanap tayo ng dark na lang na kulay. Tapos, highlight is blue. Ayan. So, if ayaw ninyo ng background, highlight, or ng outline na may pattern, just like this one, you can create a bold one. Yun lang yung gagawin ninyo. Okay? Again, you just go to effects. Then, just choose, okay, kung anong gusto nyo. So, if you want to edit it, just click this icon. Dito nyo makikita. So, if you want, ayan na kulay, shadow, you just have to make it the same color. So, nagiging plain na siya. Wala siyang texture compared to this, right? So, there are different ways on how to create glow outline or yung tinatawag nating white outline. Okay? So, yun yung mga uso natin ngayon. Uso na ginagawa natin. Ang mga nakikita namin. Okay? Next is yung sample video presentation. So here, guys, I am going to show you, okay, a sample video presentation that I created using Canva. Let me share the sound muna. Where are you? Ayan naman si Zoom, nawawala. Ayun. Nag-stuck. Yun, nairaos din. So, let me know guys kung meron siyang sound. Share sound. Type 1 if merong sound guys ha. Medyo hindi lang gumagana yung isang monitor. Let's see. I think medyo mabagal si internet today. I already sent the link pala sa inbox niyo, so you can actually access. Okay? Let's see ulit. Bakit ayaw siya mag-play? Ayan, nangyayari talaga yan siya pag live. So, try nating hanapin dito si... Ayun, try natin dito. Baka dito mag-play siya. So, kung makikita nyo guys, it's just a different or series of slides. Pero kung titignan mo, I added some videos. Okay? For example, ito. Video lang yan siya. Tapos dinagdagan ko lang ng filter. Ito. Kasi pag ganito, wala siyang... can you still see ba my screen, guys? Ito. Can you still see my screen? Yes? Okay, good. So, just like this one, nag-research lang ako ng template dito, ng mga video template. So, ang ginawa ko is, since hindi makita yung, ito, yung text, ay, ito kasi yung meron, we call the white space. Okay, yung kung saan pwede ka maglagay ng text kasi walang masyadong elements doon. So, I decided to create a filter. Ito yung tinatawag natin na gradient filter. So, you can actually change this color to orange. Orange. Ayan. Okay. Or this time, I want it in white para mabasa yung text. Okay, so if you play this, ayan. So what else? Dito, I only added animation. Ito, this is actually a video, pero ang ginawa ko, kinap ko lang siya para mag-match yung layout niya sa screen. Okay? Ay, nag-play siya. Ngayon lang siya nag-play. Hindi ka na namin kailangan. So, kung titignan nyo dun, this is a whole video. Okay? And what I did is that, nilagyan ko lang siya ng cover para makita yung text. Now, you can actually do this. Okay, ito yung nakaganda sa Canva because it's a drag and drop. You can crop it. Kung ano yung part ng video na you don't like, you can just crop it easily. Okay? Ayan. So, what else? Ano pa yung mga ginamit natin dito? For this one, I recorded this sa computer ko and I just uploaded it sa Canva. So, makikita ninyo, ayan, marami akong videos. Actually, I use this to edit videos for my client. Ayan, yung mga class video. Okay? So, I uploaded it. I record it on my screen. Ayan. And then, I just add it. So, kung titignan ninyo, naka-crop din yan siya. So, you can either zoom in and zoom it out. Okay? And then, you can actually adjust the time. Or ano yung portion na gusto nyong kunin lang from the video. Okay? Similar to those editing tools that you can find online, pero mas madali siyang i-navigate. Kaya nga sabi nila, si Canva is all-in-one tool na. Yan. So, same here. Saan ko nakuha yung mga videos? Dito sa templates. Ayan. Marami dito. Search nyo lang dito sa search bar kung anong type of videos that you want to research. And then, pili lang kayo dyan. So, here, Like, for example, ito, pag pinay ko to siya, gusto ko muna siyang lakihan ng konti para i-move siya sa side. Okay, ganito siya kalaki, guys. Oh. Pero gusto ko ito lang part yung makita sa kanya. So, ayan. So, you can also look at it this way. So, here I created 23 slides and it will play for 1 minute and 49 seconds. Okay? So, dito, let's try and play it. Ito na yung kabuuan niya. Refresh natin muna kasi may ginalaw tayo. Let's try if it's going to play. Can you hear the sound, guys? Yes? Okay, ulitin natin. The audio actually is from a website that I downloaded for free. Hindi siya from Canva. So, marami tayong options dito. Hindi natin na-save. Ayan. So, nag-promote ako ng mga courses na meron sa Digital Job PH. Kasi before we launch, okay, the new courses this year, pinagawa kami ng presentation that talks about the courses that we are going to offer. So, that's the reason why meron kami ganitong video. So, balikan natin hindi natin na ibalik sa dati niyang posisyon. Okay? So, who among you here, guys, have tried creating this type of videos dito sa Canva? Sino naka-experience? Meron na ba? Or wala pa? Type 1 if yes, type 2 if no. So far wala. So, mamaya, that will be your homework. Try to recreate, okay, a video. So, the first thing that you're going to do is to create a concept muna. Ano yung video nyo? For what, ano yung concept ng video? Ano yung theme? To create a storyline, okay? And then, after you created your storyline, then that's the time you start creating your slides. Diba? You don't need to drag yung mga videos na ine-edit nyo. You can actually use it sa slides. Okay? So again, you can find yung mga elements from here or templates pala. Okay? So I hope that you will try this once we're done dito and let us know kung ano yung output ng mga ginawa ninyo. You can actually also create yung ganito na mga effects. Ayan. Yayi, meron ba silang, ano tawag dito, parang Google Classroom ba or Drive where they can show off their sample submissions?
Meron naman.
Or yung mga entry? Meron sila?
Yeah.
Okay. That's great. So, kung makikita nyo sa pinakababa, guys, for those na first time pa lang nila gagamit ng Canva. Okay, so Canva actually has a lot of tutorials that they can watch. Okay, so just go to learn. Ayan, meron silang design school. And if you are a beginner and you still don't know or you are not yet familiar on how to navigate Canva, then just create an account and then take the courses here para alam mo kung paano gawin. Okay? But the basic tools that we have in Canva is very easy. Okay? So, we have yung tinatawag nilang pre-made. Okay? Pre-made templates. Kung makikita ninyo, may mga, ano tawag dito, may mga dimensions na siya, nakaset na siya. Okay? So, if you have a dimension in mind na hindi available dito sa templates, then go ahead and create your design here. You can customize the size, you can edit photos, or import a PDF. I'm actually using Canva Pro. Okay? And aside from that, marami ng features si Canva. Okay? So for the Pro, meron kayong tinatawag na brand kit wherein you can already add your logos, yung branding colors ninyo, and also the 3 different fonts. I think it was discussed earlier by Sir Jay, diba? When you create your branding kit, you have to create your own logo. You have to choose yung color that best represents you or your business. And also at least 3 types of fonts, which is the heading, the subheading, and also the body of text. So once you have this brand kit, every time that you are going to create your projects, automatically makikita nyo na yan siya dito sa side. Okay? Pag nag-edit kayo. So, insert na kayo. Hindi na kailangan mag-upload ng mag-upload. Okay? What else? You have your folders where you can already customize everything that you have. Kasi minsan, mahirap maghanap ng mga designs nyo. Right? And what else? You can create your own theme. Ito na yung tinatanong kanina, bakit mura yung iba? Kasi they have a theme. Okay? And what else? You can upload. If you want to create your scheduling, nandito yung content planner ninyo. Okay? Ayan. Madali lang siya, guys. So, you just have to click this plus button and tignan nyo dito kung ano yung mga posts na ginawa ninyo and then create your content from there. And hanap tayo ng template. Let's say, presentation na lang. Okay? So for presentation, you can actually start from scratch, or if you don't have any idea, you can actually choose anong type of template or theme. Okay, let's say you want to create a presentation, a creative. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga collection meron sila. Ayan, marami. So, pwede rin naman for business. Ayan, for business, pwede din animated. So, marami kayong, choices that suits your personality. Ayan, this is an example of business presentation template. Ayan, if you want your presentations to look professional, sleek, clean, okay, you can go with business presentation templates. Meron din namang animated templates. Ayan, so kuha tayo ng isa. Customize this template. There you go. Now, it's easy as click the background. This is a photo this is a video pala. Ayan. So, for example, I'd like to change the text. So, go ahead and just click it para lalabas yung mga tools sa taas or the actions that you want to do. You can change the color, let's say to blue, to orange. Diba, madali lang siya. You just have to click it. And what else? If you want to change the text, pwede nyo tong gamitin, increase, or you can just drag in and out. O, diba? Ganun lang siya kabilis. Ngayon, they have this feature wherein when you click and right-click, wait lang, click and right-click, you can already find some options dito. Dati-rati kasi, pag-click mo, dito mo pa siya makikita. Ngayon, you can already do this. Ayan. Now, when you're working with the team, kanina pinag-usapan natin, okay, pag pinindot mo dito, lalabas tong button na to, yung bubble. Okay, there. And you can add a comment. For example, please change the color or the text color. Sorry, the text color to yellow. Then comment. Ayan. So, pwede na mag-reply dito yung kasama mo. Okay? Kung natapos niya na bang ayusin or hindi. Okay? So, this is an example of what? Yung animation. So, ang makanda dito, drag-drag mo lang siya, di ba? Ayan. You can also, this one, you cannot change the color. Pero there are animations that you can. Okay? So, it depends. What else? You can move up and down there. Or you can also use this way, yung grid view. Minsan kasi, di ba, naguguluhan tayo mag-organize this way. So, I find it really easy when I arrange my designs sa grid view. Okay? Kung mapapansin ninyo, pag hinatak ko siya dito, ayan, dapat you release it pag nakita mo nyo na yung violet na line. For example, dito, pag ganun, bumabalik siya dito. Again, ayan. Pero, you will know if it will stick if you see the purple line. There. So, pwede mo siyang i-move dito sa taas. Pwede mo siyang i-move dito sa baba. Okay? So, you can do that. Okay? What else? Ano yung dapat kong sasabihin next? Okay. If you don't like to view it this way, gusto niyo yung parang kanina, horizontally, there's an option. Vertically, horizontally. Like ako, mas prefer ko kasi si vertically. Pero kung gusto niyo siya horizontal, just click this, show pages. So, pwede niyo siyang ma-access vertically. Oh, sorry, horizontally. Ayan. Again, saan nyo siya makikita? Nakikita nyo. Can you see my mouse, guys? Ayan o, nakalagay hide pages. Ayan. Pag ganyan, ganito yung presentation niya. But if you click this arrow sa pinakababa, ayan, show pages. You can follow, guys, ha. While I'm doing it, you can follow. So, if you click this, there you go. Mag-change na siya ng layout. O, diba? So, which one do you prefer, guys? Ano yung mas madali sa inyo? Is it horizontally or vertically? Kasi, last time, may gumalaw ng account ko. Sabi ko, bakit ganyan? Hindi ako sanay. Mas gusto ko yung other way around. Sabi niya, madali lang yan. Kasi akala ko, nagbago na naman si Canva. Sabi ko, ay, gusto ko yung, dito, vertically. Tapos ginawa niyang horizontal. So, sabi niya, madali lang yan. Eto. Okay? So, you can actually find a lot of hacks or YouTube tutorials, okay, sa YouTube, okay, or tutorials about this or yung mga tricks on how to create yung mga hindi masyado nakikita dito na element. Now, for example, you want to like a design. Let's say, punta tayo kay elements. Ayan. Template na lang. Balik tayo dito. Or let's say, you want a picture. Let's say, beach. Ito yung mga features or tools na you don't know that exist. Okay? So, for example, meron akong gustong-gusto na design parati. So, for example, ito siya. So, my video. Okay? Click these 3 dots. Dito mo malalaman kung sino yung author or sino yung contributor. And then, kung ayaw mo mawala yung design na yun at hindi mo na siya hahanapin ulit kasi lahat ng mga designs niya magaganda, just click add to likes. Okay? Ayan. And then, ma-view mo siya dito kung gusto mo siyang balikan. Andito na siya. And if you want to discover more of his design, what you're going to do is, balik tayo dito, click natin to ulit yung 3 dots and view more. This one. View more. You can also click this para makita mo ano yung mga tags or keywords na ginagamit nila. For example, dito muna tayo. Click natin to, view more. These are the example, okay, presentations na ginawa niya. Okay? Di ba meron tayo ganun na feeling there are other contributors na magaganda yung gawa nila and gusto natin na yun parati yung ginagamit natin. So, one way para hindi nyo kailangan laging maghanap is to add the likes or add it to your like folder. Okay? Ayun. Next is, let's talk about yung keywording. Actually, hindi ko siya nasali. Sasali ko siya sa, i-share ko siya ulit. Okay, isasali ko siya sa PDF, not the PDF, the file that I sent you. How to search for or how to use keywordings. Ayan, hanapin ko muna. Photos. Ayun. So, for example, okay, you'd like to use speech bubble, just type speech, oh sorry. Bakit may A? Speech bubbles. Oh, sorry. Not pala sa template, guys, ha? Sa elements. Kasi yung templates is more on templates. So, ito, speech bubbles. So, you will find a lot of speech bubbles. Pwede graphics. Ayan. Pwede naman photos. So, it depends on you. Dati-dati kasi, makikita mo siya dito. Pero ngayon, dito niya na nilalagay sa taas. Videos of speech bubbles ba? Okay. Next is yung mga sikat ngayon. Yung mga uso. Meron ako dito. Let's say, shape stickers. Kasi kung titignan ninyo, hindi na siya same as dati na nakikita ninyo lahat dito sa side yung options. So, pwede tayo mag-type shape stickers. Yan. So, pwede tayo dito sa graphics kasi normally kinukuha ko siya sa graphics. And what else? Ano pa ba nakalagay dito? Yung pinaka-favorite ko is yung abstract portrait. Ito yung ginamit ko sa slide ko. So, abstract portrait. Ayan. So, dito tayo sa graphics. Ito yung favorite ko. Ito yung usong-usong ngayon, di ba? Or, pwede illustration. Illustration. Punta tayo kay graphics. Ayan. Or, pwede din gradient. Okay. Background. So, you have to search about keywordings. Okay? Keywordings. Kasi, ayun, dito nyo makikita at mas madali nyo ma-search. So, here, nakikita nyo to. Just click this. And, pwede kayong mag-specify kung anong color, orientation, static ba siya or animated. Only free ang gusto nyong design. Okay? Kasi pag pro, may bayad na. Okay? So, now, I want you to check out muna yung pinakadulo na page. Gawin natin yung beginner's challenge. Guys, who wants to share your screen? Yayi? Baka meron sa kanila gusto mag-share ng screen and mag-share ng sample nila. Sample project using Canva that they want to share. Kung wala naman, try natin yung mga links na naka-embed dito. So, let's start with basic muna. Oh, I'm going to teach you how to use it pala kasi dito, pag pin-name mo siya, hindi na siya automatically nagpe-play. So, let's say yung first link, guys, yung beginner's challenge. Share ako ulit ng screen. Ayan. So, dito sa beginner's challenge, 'di ba? Once you click, tanggalin na lang muna natin 'to. Once you click this, ayan, it will redirect you to this part. Now, there's some instructions here, tapos meron nakalagay ditong hint. Okay, wala siya sa beginner's challenge. Hanap tayo nung isa yung merong hint. Kasi yung iba doon, sinasabi nila, Mom, it's not working yung hint. So what you're trying to do is hanapin natin yung may mga video tutorials na kasama sa activity. Okay, for example, ito, need hint. Before kasi, if you click it, automatically, it will redirect you to a tutorial. Since hindi no siya ma-access, what you're going to do is just click this box, go to the icon or the chain icon or link, and then copy nyo lang to. And then, pag wala kang idea how to do it. So, there you go. It will give you the idea on what to do. This is the old version of Canva. Okay? So, for example, dito dito na tayo mag-start sa Essential Canva Tools. Okay? Ang instruction dyan is, on dark backgrounds, make your text white. On light backgrounds, make your text black. So, here, the instruction is for us to change the color of the text so that it will pop out. So, gagawin natin siyang white. Click this. Text color, and then click white. This is for beginners lang ha. For those who are not familiar with the tool, the exercises or the list of activities that I included in the slide will help you get familiarized with the tools and yung basic tools. Okay, at saka features ni Canva. Ayan, na-change na natin siya. Next is use grids for your images. Place the image of the dessert in the grid. So, eto, lagay nyo lang siya dito sa loob. You can adjust it. Pwede nating lakihan. Ayan. Or hanap tayo dito sa elements. Let's say, cookies. Para naman maiba. Hanap tayo. Ito. Okay. Masyadong malaki. Ay, hindi na siya pwede. Hanap tayo ng something na pwede nating masyado kasi ito maliit. Lakihan na lang natin ng konti. So, let's say ito. Ayan. So, you just have to put it in the middle. Ayan. Double click. And then, pwede niyo siyang i-zoom. Ayan. And then, you can already add your text here. Right? Next is, when placing text over an image, consider using a text holder. So, the only text holder that is available as of now is ito lang. Kaso lang hindi siya magkasya. So, what are the other things that you can do so that it will pop out and at the same time, hindi matatabunan yung pizza? So, what we do is that we use shapes. So, here, hanap tayo ng circle. Ayan. Lines and shapes. Circle. And then, let's choose white. And then, let's adjust the transparency. Ayan, transparency. And pick a text holder, place, or write lunch special. Okay. So, hanap tayo dito ng text holder. Ito na lang siguro. Ayan. So, guys, in order para hindi to mag-move, hindi masama to, kaya minsan, pag ginaganyan natin, sumasama lahat, you can lock it. Lock. Let's lock everything. So, ito, nandito na yan siya. Adjust natin ng konti. And then, lock. So, kung tutusin, ayan, ito lang yung gumagalaw. Ay, hindi natin na-lock yung iba. So, lock natin si do, si hint, lock. So, again, ito na lang yung gumagalaw. Ayan. Okay. So, what we're going to do, gumalaw pala yung ito. Hindi natin kailangan. So, lagay natin ungroup. Okay. So, here it says lunch special. So, yan. So, masyadong mataas yung space in between. So, go to this spacing icon. And then, meron tayong line spacing kung gaano kataas yung space. Or, meron tayo yung ito, in between. So, what I normally do, ayoko siyang ginagawang ganito. So what I do is that I separate them, please. Okay, I separate them so that I can adjust the text. Para madali siyang i-navigate. Yan, lunch special. Pwede ko siya ilagay dito. Yan. Then, this one is $10. So, since green, meron tayong green elements, gusto ko siya i-bold. Yan. Or let's say darker green. There. And then this one naman, black is okay. Pwede din brown para mag-match siya sa background. Okay, there you go. The good thing about Canva is that every time you try to add an element, automatically lumalabas yung kulay niya dito sa side. For example, ito. Let's say mag-a-add ako ng elements ha. Add ako ng something purple. I don't know. What this one? Illustration. Okay, let's say illustration. Pag mag-a-add ako ng illustration, let's say woman. Graphics. So, for example, yung kulay niya is, hanap tayo ng iba. Yung may pagka-orange. Ito. So, automatically, lalabas yan siya dito sa mga kulay. Ayan. Magsasuggest siya. Yung photo. Yung kulay ng photo. Ayan. So, kung gusto mo siyang i-match sa background photo mo, then lalabas dito yung colors. And also this one. Every time you try to add element, hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng color picker, wherein pag gusto mong i-match yung text sa photo, pupunta ka pa ng color picker. Ganito. colorpicker.com just to get the hex code. Automatically, kay Canva, meron na siya. Okay, so let's say, hindi to tama. Color picker. Ito yung lagi kong ginagamit. So let's say I want to get a color of an image. Dati, ito yung ginagamit natin ha. So ano ba pwede ko gamitin? Ito na lang. Okay. So, kailangan ko pang gawin to para makuha ko yung color, then copy, saka ko ilalagay kay Canva. But si Canva ngayon, every time you try to add photos, automatically, nadidetect niya na yung photo, yung kulay ng mga photo. Let's say, hanap tayo ng photo ng, ano ba yung mga photos na madaling makita? Let's say, summer graphics or photos. Ito, watermelon. So, this is the color. Then, pag pinindot mo to siya, ayan, lalabas yung kulay. So, you can use this actually, the colors. Diba? It's amazing. Okay? So, those are some of the tricks that you can do. Okay? With Canva. So, you just have to explore. Kasi I know some of you guys, meron pa kayong hindi na-discover kay Canva. Right? Marami pa kayong hindi natatry na features. Marami pa kayong marami pa kayong hindi nasusubukan. Medyo nahirapan ako guys kasi yung classes ko these days, naghahalo-halo. I speak Bisaya, I speak Tagalog, I speak Tausug, and some of them are Chavacano. So medyo nagkakaroon ng kalituhan when it comes to dialect. Nag-mimix yung brain ko. That's why nauutal ako. Okay? So, do you have any questions, guys, or you want to ask? Ang hindi lang natin nasagot is yung Canva pricing. Yun pala ang hindi ko na add. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I am going to share my screen again. And here's the different. Again, guys, hindi ako kasama sa marketing. Marketing na employee ni Canva. But I love Canva. That's why gamit na gamit namin siya sa training. Okay? So, if it's free, these are the perks that you can get. Okay? And if you will have the pro, you actually, this is 499 per month. Pero the last time na binayaran ko, nasa 300 plus lang siya per month. So, ayun. Or you can avail it for a year, which will cost you 5,990, which is cheap na. And yung enterprise naman is yung 1,490 per person. So, I don't know how they do it. I tried once. Ang ginawa nila is that, na-curious kasi ako if it's really a scam. Kasi marami nagsasabi a scam. But then when I tried it, a friend of mine explained na ina-avail nila yung enterprise tapos ina-add nila yung mga members. Pero the downside lang doon is that you cannot create your branding. Okay? Pero you have the choice whether you like to share your project to the team. Okay? So for example, na-add ka nila sa team. Okay? And ang gagawin nila is that every time you want to access the pro, you just have to switch yung account mo sa team para you can access the Canva Pro. Okay? So, hindi siya crack. Okay? Cheaper lang siya kasi marami silang pinapasok. And then, binabayaran nila yung enterprise na price. Okay? So, any questions? Yai? Guys, do the activity ha. I shared already the link. Hanapin ko nga ulit yung link so that you can access. Share ko ulit. Medyo nasira lang yung pinag-edit-edit natin kanina. Ito. Ayun niya nang bumalik. Any questions, guys? Clarifications that you want to ask? Wait lang, magbabasa ako ng... Or maybe some of you would like to share their projects na nagawa nila before. Video po ba yung gagawin na activity? Clarify ko lang. Yung sa baba na mga links, those are just, dito, for you to be familiar with the tools. Okay? Pero if you want to submit an activity where you're going to create a video, the better. Kasi, I think, sanay, alam nyo na kasi, yung, especially for those who are already exposed to Canva, I suggest that you create yung website and also yung video. Okay? Kasi majority of you answered earlier na hindi nyo pa natatry yung video. So, let's see what you can produce, okay, using yung video editing from Canva. Okay? Miss Aries? Okay, meron pa bang tanong yung iba?
Ano pa po?
Medyo nasira. Ayusin ko muna yung slide kasi medyo nasira siya. Sa kakagalaw ko kanina. Ayan. Nakalimutan ko mag-make a copy. Yun lang. So that's all for my discussion for today. Meron kang idadagdag, Yai, when it comes to their submission?
Dapat may folder sila doon.
Yung sa link na binigay mo, tama?
Yes.
Okay.
Dapat may folder sila. Gawa na lang ka ng folder. Thank you.
So I hope, guys, that you learned something today and I was able to share with you some tips and tricks that you're not yet familiar when it comes to Canva. So don't forget, if you want to learn something or if you want to learn yung mga bagong tricks, okay, you can always, you can always check it out on YouTube. Kasi ako sa YouTube lang naman ako natututo, guys. And don't forget also to join Canva groups. Okay, wait lang. Hanapin ko yung mga groups sa Canva that I joined last time. Canva Design Circle. Ayan. So, I will send you the link sa Zoom. You can join this group because you will get a lot Okay? You will get a lot of ideas from there. Okay? Ayan. Diyan ko actually natutunan yung mga tips and tricks.
Thank you.
Ayan. So, thank you very much, guys, for having me today.
Thank you. So, the list is already in the padlock. So, evaluation din po siya. And it will serve as your registration. So, sagot na po kayo. And thank you very much. Art, Twinnie, salamat.
Yes. Thank you din for having me.
Yeah. So, meron lang akong mga announcement. Next week, morning August 3 and August 4. Kasi yung trainer natin, may conflict siya sa schedule. So, morning sessions lang. So, August 3 and August 4. So, thank you very much. And enjoy learning. Bye. Ay, picture mo na pala. Sorry. Picture, guys. Art.
Wait lang.
Ay, sorry naman.
Kasi, nag-disconnect yung camera ko. Ayun.
CJ, can you please, can you please, try to snap na lang? May bumalik.
May bumalik kasi hindi pa nakapag-picture. Nakalimutan.
May bumalik siya.
Ayan. So, ready na ba? 1, 2, 3. Count ha. Baka mamaya. Dapat maganda kami dyan. Kasi ipopost pa naman eh.
CJ.
Last time, kinunan ako ng screenshot habang kumakain.
Kaya nga, nakita ko yun.
Kaya dapat mag 1, 2, 3 ha, CJ.
CJ. Nasaan na si CJ?
Ayan, sabi niya, open cam daw.
Open cam, everyone. Bye.
Ayun.
Okay na daw. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Art. See you next week. So
Thank you.
Mag-email ako ulit. And thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.